In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the memory integrity is off. Your device may be vulnerable error in Windows. If you see incompatible drivers listed inside Windows Security, don't worry, I'll walk you through the complete fix step by step. First, click on Review Incompatible Drivers. Here, you'll see the drivers that are causing this issue. Next, open the Windows terminal or PowerShell with Run as Administrator. In the video description, I've added a command. Copy that first command and paste it into your terminal and hit enter. If it doesn't work, don't worry. Copy the same command again, but remove the text format table from the end. Now hit enter. This will show you a list of all installed drivers on your system. Go back to Windows Security and note the published name of the incompatible driver. Now return to the terminal and search for that published name. Here you can see we found the driver, which means it's installed on the system. The second incompatible driver in my case is OEM60, so we'll remove that too. In the video description, you'll find the second command, copy that command. Now simply replace the published name in the command with the driver name shown in Windows Security. Paste it into the terminal and hit enter. You should now see the message. Driver package uninstalled and deleted successfully. Now repeat the same process for the second driver. And boom, both drivers are now uninstalled. Close the terminal and go back to Windows Security. Click Scan again. You will now see that the incompatible drivers are gone and memory integrity is turned on successfully. Make sure to also enable kernel mode hardware enforced stack protection if available. As the final step, restart your PC. After the restart, your issue is permanently fixed. And that's it, your memory integrity feature is now working properly, and your device is secure again. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. And if you want to support me, you can use the YouTube thanks button. It really helps me bring more useful content for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.